case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A landmark Supreme Court case in 1973, Gaffney v. Cummings, revolved around the complex issue of legislative reapportionments. At the heart of the debate was the constitutionality of district lines in Connecticut and Virginia, with a particular focus on equal population representation and the one-person, one-vote doctrine. Connecticut appeared to gerrymander its district lines in an attempt to achieve political fairness. Its approach led to sizable variations in population among electoral districts, raising constitutional concerns. In Virginia, the emphasis was on maintaining the integrity of political subdivision lines. These actions spurred Mr. Justice White and the court to evaluate the justifications behind each state's variations and scrutinize the alignment with the principles of equal protection. The crux was to establish whether every voter's ballot carried the same weight and if the existing legislative election maps ensured fair and democratic representation. In Connecticut, the complex process involved the General Assembly, a bipartisan commission, and a board consisting of judges and a state Supreme Court justice. At each stage, the officials failed to agree on a reapportionment plan. When the task fell onto the bipartisan board, the hardships of consensus continued, illustrating the political and legislative challenges involved. The court's final ruling laid down essential guidelines. Though they reiterated the need for electoral districts to maintain equal populations as much as possible, minor deviations were acceptable if supported by a compelling state policy. However, the court cautioned that even if a redistricting map complied with proper population standards, it could still be discriminatory. The court emphasized the inherent political and legislative nature of redistricting, indicating that the judiciary lacked authority to invalidate a state's electoral map that ensured proportionate representation. The case underscored that managing demographics and political forces in legislative reapportionment is a complex blend of political strategy and constitutional law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.